In this video, I will be showing you how to change the webmail account password in cPanel in this video. First, you need to sign into cPanel with cPanel username and password, which will bring you to the cPanel settings page. In cPanel settings page, you need to click Email Account option under Email section. Here, in this page, you will find all the webmail accounts set up in cPanel. To change the webmail account password, select the webmail account for which you want to change the password. And next, click the Manage button corresponding to the webmail account. And here, in the Security section, you have the password field. You can either generate a random and strong password for your webmail account, or you can type in your own custom password for the webmail account. And finally, click this button and updates changes made. And done, changing the password for the webmail account in cPanel. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.